Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study online lectures effectively. First, let's talk about preparation. Creating a dedicated study environment is crucial. Find a quiet spot where you can focus without interruptions. Make sure all your study materials, such as pens, paper, and any required software, are ready before the lecture begins. A stable internet connection is also vital to avoid disruptions. Finally, communicate your study schedule to family or housemates to minimize disturbances during your learning time. Next, let's discuss how to engage actively during the lecture itself. Don't just passively watch. Take concise notes, highlighting the main ideas and any specific examples given. If a concept is unclear, pause the video to reread or re-listen to that section. Participate in any live question and answer opportunities or online discussions to deepen your understanding. After each major segment, take a moment to summarize the key points in your own words. Now, let's focus on reinforcing what you've learned after the lecture. It is highly beneficial to review your notes within 24 hours to help move information from short-term to long-term memory. Consider creating flashcards for key vocabulary or mind maps to connect complex ideas. Discussing the material with classmates can offer new insights and clarify any lingering questions. Finally, test your recall by trying to explain the concepts aloud without referring to your notes. Finally, maintaining your focus and overall well-being is essential for long-term success. Schedule short breaks, perhaps 5 to 10 minutes every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent mental fatigue. Remember to stay hydrated and fuel your body with nutritious meals. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as this significantly impacts your cognitive function. Incorporating some physical activity into your routine can also boost your energy levels and reduce stress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.